Ever found yourself asking if Big Dawg Dumpsters is okay for your big cleanup? Is a puppy okay? That's like asking if a new furry friend is okay when you wanted a toy truck. Is cake okay? Or if having cake at a birthday party is okay when you were just expecting a handshake. Like finding $100 in your old coat or a sunny day in the forecast when you planned a picnic, Big Dawg Dumpsters is more than just okay for your driveway dumpster needs in Port Charlotte, Florida. With easy driveway-friendly dumpsters, competitive rental prices, and service that goes above and beyond, choosing Big Dawg means you're choosing the best solution for your cleanup, remodel, or any project needing a big toss-up. So, is Big Dawg okay for your next big project? No, it's absolutely perfect. Give us a bark at 743-244-3294 or visit www.bigdawgfl.com to find out about our driveway dumpster Port Charlotte, Florida rental prices today. Big Dawg Dumpsters, more than just okay, we're your partner in cleanups big or small.